It starts to dry. And that's when you get it cleaned off easiest while it's still soft, and it's going to polish rather than scratch, and that'll come out. This is a lovely anthracite dark grout, and makes it more like a stained glass window to me, but it depends on what you do, how you make your mosaic in the first place, how you make your tiles and how you shape your tiles, whether you're doing it like this is probably stained glass window style, if you like, because I leave a nice amount of black area between the tiles there, and that gives you that feeling it's like a lead light, but Christ, that'd be a lot of work if it wasn't lead light. This is a mosaic, and that's much easier than poisonous lead. These are ceramic tiles. They will last for a very long time. Now it starts to get, when the white comes up, you can see the white. Now the white's coming white and clean. More rubbing, rub-a-dub-dub. Go. Right. Oh. Tidying out, cleaning up the bench in the kitchen every day, cooking, cleaning. Every good mosaic artist has to be a good housewife as well. House husband, kitchen hand, cook, bench cleaner, polisher, chief cook, and bottle washer. There you go. It's starting to come up now. Look at those lovely colours. You can see the design. You can see the shape. Oops, I should have had my shirt done up. Okay, now I can hear some strange noise. Should have some music playing instead of that guy snoring, or is it the drone? I think that's that noise. Sound check. Okay, so now we start to see where there's a bit of glue that I have to remove. It's come through onto the tile. So I get another tool called a palette knife, or any knife will do. A bit of wood or a chopstick is also pretty good if you're worried about damaging your tiles. This aeroplane.